What's up, guys? Pavers have been removed. Me and my wife just knocked it off about 8 hours. We're super tired but super excited that it got done. Next thing we're gonna do is pick out the design. We're thinking about doing like an astroturf with some concrete. Still really haven't figured out exactly what we're gonna do, but we're getting there. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and take you over and show you what we've actually done by removing the pavers. So there is the wall. It's getting blown out very soon. And let's go ahead and take you over to the pool. Man, that's a lot of work we did today. It's a lot of pavers. It's about 550 square feet to be exact. Literally started all the way over there. Kind of worked our way over here. Right through here. Through here. And then just kind of worked our way all around. A lot of work, a lot of work, but it was worth it. Like I said, saved about $6 grand off the budget. So we can use that in other areas or just get money back. There's our waste management bag. Let's get another view of it. I kind of like, I mentioned to my wife, I kind of like the beach look. It's just paver sand, base sand, but hey, that's going to be covered up eventually. Like I said, we're going to do some astroturf. Look at a little backward shot, wide shot. Some astroturf with some concrete designs or something like that. It looks really modern, looks really cool. And then with the grass as well. Just cut the grass the other day, if you guys are wondering. So basically what's going to happen to the grass is they're going to come back right, the fence is going to get blown down, knocked down. And they're going to come back with their equipment right through here. This palm tree, probably going to go bye-bye. It looks like it's got fungus too. Showed you that last time. And then literally going to come through here, around the pool, around the fire pit. And you see we already had to move all our grills and dock boxes, yard boxes over here. So the backyard's going to get pretty jacked up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take, I just got a grass plugger. I'm going to go ahead and take some plugs from right here. The grass is pretty nice right here. And then transplant some of the bare spots to the front. And we'll go from there. All right, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you next week.